Hello, BYF friends. Hello, my name is Anna. Welcome to Beautifully channel. Thank you very much for being here. It's been a while since the last time I kind of touched base with you guys, or I showed my face in camera. I'm not sure, but I think by now you probably understand that I'm a bit shy, camera shy, I mean. Anyway, I thought that to come and say hello to you guys because this time our self-development journey has brought us to Fuerteventura, one of the Spanish Canary Islands, and we came to attend a yoga retreat. We also once again came with some friends, people that we've been working with. Actually, I need to give heads up for Oceanyoga. All the facilitators, everyone involved is just extremely awesome. Like extremely awesome. I love them all. It's quite fun. I'm not sure if you are the type of people who have ventured yourself to do a retreat or to travel and do something like healthy wise. I mean, it can be as simple as relaxing near the swimming pool. But once again, if you are one of those persons, you've never done it, I would say like is a lifetime experience. So if you've never ventured by yourself or with a friend to do some different type of holidays, it can be an adventure or just relaxation or a sports adventure, whatever. If you've never done it, I definitely recommend. At least the worst that can happen is you saying like, yeah, I've done it, I didn't enjoy it, but I've done it, you know. Anyway, so what I want to say basically is that once again we are in Spanish Canary Island. Is extremely beautiful. This island, this particular island, is very, very beautiful. There's all sort of sports going on. There's people running everywhere. There's the joggers, there's the yoga people, the yogis, there's the surfers, there's all sort of things. There's the dog walkers, the baby crawlers. You know, there's a bunch of beautiful people hanging out. If you are in Europe, I would say that this is probably one of the best destinies if you want to escape winter time. I would say that this is just perfect. It's like about 23, 24 degrees. It never goes below maybe 18. So it's quite pleasant. And and we are in February, February 2019. So, but for what I've heard about the locals, they say the temperatures will never go beyond 37 degrees. So that means like August or mid-summer time, it still can be quite pleasant. But anyway, once again, we are here because we love exploring well-being in all aspects. So it's just not... we're not just exploring the fitness side of things, so we're not just exploring physicality. We are exploring well-being in all ways, and that means that needs to include, obviously, the emotional well-being. And once again, if you are the type of person that is hit by the syndrome of sad syndrome, I heard, yeah, I think that's what they call it. But anyway, if you are one of those persons that you come across mid-winter and you feel like, whoa, this winter is getting tough, so I would definitely recommend get away. A weekend, 1 day, 2 days. Actually, we be meeting people who are just here for a few days. Like, they just arrived and they are leaving tomorrow, but still they are here and having fun and taking care of their emotional and physical well-being. Emotional and physical well-being. So that's what we are about. So once again, because even counselors have counselors taking care of them, even those who take care of others need to be taken care of once in a while. I would say that this is what I'm doing. This is exactly what I'm doing. So I am taking care of myself, guys. As you can see, I'm really having fun, and that's why maybe I was so brave that this time I decided, like, yeah, let me say hello to all of those gorgeous people across the world. But yes, once again, you are always, I'm not sure if you following this Beautifully over Facebook, but very soon we'll be having also Instagram. So if you're not following our work via Facebook, I would say, like, if you have a Facebook account, I would say, like, yeah, just check it out, because we've been advertising all of our events via Facebook. This is the method that we've been using so far, but of course that very soon, in a couple of weeks, we'll be using also Instagram, and also advertising our meetings, our gatherings, our soul encounters via those social media methods. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is that we will always, because this is something that makes Beautifully shine and strive and be happy and fulfilled and authentic and all of those good things. So I would say, like, stay tuned, because it would be wonderful to meet one of you soulmates somewhere in one of our events, one of our gatherings. So yes, please just stay tuned and follow us on Facebook. And if you don't, just send us an email and say, hey, what's up? What are you going to be doing next? So actually, I want to take advantage and say that we will be in London in March. One of our favorite European cities, very progressive. Wow, there are no words to define London, because it's so many different things, but definitely always good things. So we're gonna be in London in March, and then we'll be heading again to Spain, this time to Malaga. I've never been to Malaga, so I'm very curious. But once again, we'll be meeting with our friends, Beautifully friends. We'll be sharing our own experience on well-being and how to be happy and authentic, how to be ourselves. So we'll be meeting our soulmates, our soul tribe, in one of those destinations. So if you are around, or if you are keen to join us, just drop us a message, just like type it or call it, or you've got the contacts. The contacts should be somewhere in this page on the channel, so you can easily find it. But anyway, for a camera shy person, I have spoken too much already. So I'm gonna say goodbye for now, and really hope you are having fun, enjoying your life. And if that's not happening, hey, it's time to start doing it, right? Because this life can be very short. Rather better have like a good experience, something to tell ourselves, I guess. It doesn't matter really what other people, although it's what they say, if happiness shared is even more happiness. Anyway, once again, I'm bubbling, so thank you very much for listening, and so until soon, because I am going to hit, after the very long, productive and fun morning, I am gonna hit, we are going to enjoy a very relaxing moment at the spa. Oops. Bye for now, take care guys, see ya, bye.